This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome to our newest listing, 2079 Scott Street, located in the incredibly central Burbank neighborhood here in San Jose. This 3-bed, 2-bath, single-family home is incredibly cozy and is perfect for any family to start their Silicon Valley adventure. Step inside and see what could be yours. Welcome home. Nothing beats the incredibly central location here at 2079 Scott Street, where we're just minutes away from downtown San Jose, downtown Willow Glen, downtown Campbell, Valley Fair Mall, as well as endless upscale dining and entertainment options at Santana Row. Imagine enjoying your nights and weekends strolling through this incredibly peaceful community. I can't think of a better place to live, love, and enjoy your Silicon Valley life.